Okay, hi everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. 2 weeks ago, our VP of Product, Jay Jodkowitz, gave a webinar titled Beyond the Robot, What Makes an AMR Implementation Successful? And we received a lot of interest on that content. Specifically, we got a lot of questions regarding simulation services, so we decided we would have a specific dedicated webinar to shine a spotlight on this topic. A little about myself. My name is Bonnie, and I'm the Simulation Services Manager here at Automotors. I work directly with our customers, leveraging our simulation tools to help them along their journey with deploying their autonomous robots. In today's webinar, I'm going to begin with sharing why we believe in the use of simulation and what we do with it. And then for the bulk of our webinar, I'm going to be walking us through two case studies of recent deployments that we did. I'm going to go in quite a bit of detail with those two case studies to give you some insights in terms of the types of common questions that come up in these scaled deployments, and also share how we tackle these with simulation. And then I'll share key takeaways that are based on our experience with using simulation for these type of deployments.